If you're looking to get into scripting on Roblox, the first thing that you're going to have to learn, if you haven't already, is local variables. And if you have, click here to the next video. Local variables are like files on your computer. They can store things like numbers or other types of data. To create a variable that holds a number, write local, then write the name that you want it. For example, I will name it value. Then I will set it to 5. Anytime I want that number, I just write value. And when we use it, we no longer need to write local because that creates the value, but it already is made. For an example of something that you can do with that value is you can write value equals value plus 1, which will make the number go up by 1. But local variables can also act as a shortcut, so you can reference things much easier. For example, if you wanted to reference a part in 8 other folders, you don't have to write folder.folder.folder 8 times every time you want to get the part. Now that's an extreme, but there's lots of things that you'll need to keep track of, and it will make your life a lot easier just to write one word rather than a whole freaking paragraph. Now, why you need to refer to things so often, all scripting is just changing properties on things, which if you want to see all the properties, go to view and click properties, and that will open the properties panel so you can see it. The only way to change the value of something is to reference it. For example, if you wanted to change a part's color to yellow, you would need to change its property to yellow. Roblox has custom values for things that are not just one number. So if you see something like this where it has more than one number, you're going to need to look up how to change the value. That's why they say scripting is just being a professional Googler. So go to Google, look up how to change a color of a part, then you will find what you need to use. Now write part.color is equal to color 3.new. That will allow you to change the color. Now you look at the part's property, you can see that it has tons of values that you can change. So on your own time, try and change the part's position or whatever you feel like. And don't watch a video for this because that will add up over time and make something that takes 2 seconds to Google and read run into a 3-minute video of some guy telling you about how it works. Also, there's more postings of things on Roblox forums, and so you can solve more solutions in the future, and it's a small easy skill that will go a long way in the future. In my next video, I'll be going over if statements and while loops, which will allow you to do a lot more with what you're doing. But don't watch the next video until you fully understand what I'm talking about.